Hey guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. I make videos helping you guys to make money with eBay dropshipping. So in this video, I'm just going to be clarifying on some questions that I get about optimization. So quick overview, I take items from retail websites and I optimize them, mark them up by 40% and sell them on eBay. And I get a lot of questions about more details in how I optimize them, so I just wanted to be clear. So the main thing that I optimize is the title of my eBay listing. So I format my titles in a way to help them rank more highly on eBay search engine when a customer searches for the item. That is the main way that I am able to get away with higher margins and make most of my money. So optimization of the title is absolutely key. There are other ways that other people optimize, and they ask me about these ways, so I just want to touch on those as well. So we'll start with images. In some teachings, including the course that I originally took on Udemy about eBay dropshipping, some people teach that you should rename your images with keywords. So when you save the image onto your computer, you save the image as, and you put keywords in the title of your image in order to help it rank better. That is one theory. The reason why I stopped doing that is because it was time consuming, and when I stopped doing it and I saw absolutely no difference, I just stopped doing it. I didn't start again. I stopped renaming my title images, and my sales still were going up and up and up. So if I kind of felt like if it's not making a big impact, there's no reason for me to start doing it again. The one way in which I will optimize my images is by using the best image as the main image on my eBay store. So sometimes your supplier or your retailer will have a certain image as their main image on the store, and then you have 3, 4, 5 other pictures of the image. And I look at those pictures, or my VA will look at those pictures and decide which of these images shows the product in its best light, and I will use that image. Some people who use DSM tool will also put together a collage of the item. I don't do that. I use Hustle Got Real software, and I don't really like the whole collage thing. This is one of those things that's down to your personal preference, but I prefer to have one main clear image. So I just pick the image that shows the product in its best light. The next way that people ask me about optimizing is in the product description. So for my product descriptions, I simply copy and paste the description from the supplier. I used to do that manually. Now that I use a software, any software will automatically do that for you. So it will just copy whatever the description is from the supplier and put that into the description of your eBay listing. Some people ask whether they should put more keywords into their descriptions as well as using the keywords that they've used in their title. Does it help with ranking in order to boost that? So again, this is something that I do not do. I don't add anything to my descriptions, and because I am getting sales, it's something that I have no intention of fixing. For me, what it boils down to is how much more time is it going to take me, and how much more money is it going to make me? And obviously you can't really know these things, but for me, I feel like just getting more items listed with a good title is a lot more effective than spending time editing images, putting collages together, adding keywords into descriptions. I feel like your title and your image, the first image you see, is just the most important thing. So I stick to the most important and effective things in optimizing my eBay listings. Another argument that I've heard is that by putting keywords in the image title and by repeating your keywords in the description, you will rank more highly in a Google search outside of eBay for your listings. And here are my thoughts on that, which I have shared before, but not in a specific video. Your target customer as a retail arbitrage eBay dropshipper is somebody who is looking to buy something on eBay specifically. In my opinion, ranking on a Google search is not something you should be taking your time to be concerned about, because somebody who is looking to buy something in Google search is somebody who is probably shopping around for a good price. Let's think about it. If you were looking for a new bed, would you go to the retail website of somewhere that you knew had beds, or would you go to Google and type in double bed? If you're going to Google to type in double bed, it's probably because you want to shop around and look for a good deal. People who are going to shop around and look for a good deal are not going to spend 40% more than retail price on your eBay listing. Some people will, but those people who won't are not your target customer. And that's the reason why I don't bother about trying to rank in a Google search, because to me, people who are looking to buy something in Google, for the most part, are shopping around. You can also see in your eBay seller report, somewhere in eBay, it's like your performance, I think it's called. You can see how much of your sales come from within eBay versus from outside of eBay. And the amount of sales I have from outside of eBay are so tiny. People just aren't finding my listings from outside of eBay. Because I'm optimizing my titles, I'm ranking for people who are searching inside eBay. So I'm not saying that that can't work and that it's a bad strategy to use. I'm just saying that I focus on my strategy, which is good keywords in the title and a nice clear image, and just laser focusing on that strategy is what I have found to be successful for me. I'm not saying that other things won't work. You're welcome to try it, but the whole purpose of my YouTube channel is just to share with you guys what I actually do to make my money, and to just be transparent about that. If I was doing any extra things, then I would let you guys know if I felt like it helped. One thing I should say as well about optimizing images is that although I don't change the image title, if you're using a software like I am, which is Hustle Got Real, link in the description, then usually your software will rename the images for you based on words from the title or description. I'm not sure where it pulls them from. So technically now my images are renamed, but there was a long period of time where they were not renamed, and I still get a lot of sales from those listings where I have no template, no fancy like layout in my eBay listing, and no optimized images. It's just a good product, a good price with a good title, and that's all you need. That's the basics of what you need to sell on eBay. So I hope you found this video helpful. Like if it's the kind of thing that you like, and subscribe to see more. If you have any questions, check the description box for the FAQ section of questions asked, along with the videos that answer those questions. And you can leave any comment below if you have any questions about this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!